Hey you guys, and welcome to my tiny sewing room. So like I told you guys before, if you guys have never seen my tiny sewing room or seen me put it together, I'll leave a link for it down below in the description box. But since then it has been reorganized, and I think I filmed that like a few months ago, probably back in September or October, somewhere around there. But I am finally starting what I need to start for my Etsy store. So you guys are gonna come along with me. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit at a time. This first video, we're gonna do all about my new keychains or key fobs that will be on my Etsy store. So if you would like to see how they're made and what kind of designs I'm gonna have, then make sure you're subscribed, your notification bell is turned on, and let's get going. So I went ahead and cut or pre-cut the fabric for my key fobs or keychains, depending on how you guys want to use it. They can also be like part of what's coming in the future, which you can attach to a small little bag or a little clutch. Anyways, so I have some pre-cut out. Here are two of the fabrics. The rest of them are in between. And I need to iron these and fold them down to attach them. Honestly, this part here for the keychains themselves should not take me that long at all. But first, I actually need to make some labels. So I'm gonna do that off camera really fast because I'm not sure how long it's gonna take me. But then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use to make my keychains. So I wanted to show you what I use to make my own labels. And I use this here. This is Transart Dreams True Heat Transfer Paper. I use the light fabric inkjet one. I do have a laser printer as well, but I use this right here. You can find them on Amazon, but these are the 3 sizes I have for some of the products that will be coming out and on my Etsy shop. So I have here, just thick peach right here, as you can see. This here is my large. This one here, I only did 1 sheet of each right now. This one here is my small. And then these ones here are like my mini ones that you can put like in t-shirts or keychain wallets. So I have those printed. Now we're gonna go ahead. Well, I'm actually gonna use those for the mini ones. I'm gonna use those for the key fobs. So we're gonna go ahead and you guys are gonna watch me make me some So here are all the key fobs I made. There's a total of 15. I still have 4 more here I need to finish. But there we go. That's how they came out. All right, you guys, let me know what you guys think about my key fobs I created that's going to go up on my shop. If you're interested, please go ahead and hit the link down below in the description box. There is more to come. More is waiting, and I'm super excited to bring it all to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.